Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. I also discuss today the different pattern of the sum from the books of the M.L. Agrawal class 9. Okay. So previous video is see all these sums. Now today I discuss a different pattern of sum. Here is the sum is 5. Suppose this is 5 n plus 3. N plus 3 minus 6 into 5 n plus 1. Just copy is very important thing. You just properly copy the sum. This is 9 and this is into 5 to the power n. Okay. And this is minus 2 square into 5 to the power n. Okay. No problem. Clear? Just I repeat 5n plus 1, just I check it. This is minus this and this. Now, what's your target? Here is a sum. What's your target? Your target is from the up part, from the down part, the in part is out. In যে পার্টগুলো আছে, ইনের যে পার্টগুলো আছে সেগুলোকে কাটার চেষ্টা করো, তাহলে কি তুমি সলভ করতে পারবে, ভ্যালু আসবে। নাও হিয়ার ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট, দিস ইজ জাস্ট ইউ ব্রেক, you know already. Suppose a to the power 2 into a to the power x. What is this? When base are same, power will be added. Sorry, a to the power 2 plus x. You know already. Very important thing. From here to here you just come. So from here to here, so a to the power 2 plus x, that is same as a square into a to the power x. Here is this. Okay. So in this way you just apply here. The very important thing is this. এইখানটা তোমায় ঠিক করতে হবে। So here you just write 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 3. This is very important. This break. This is 6 just into. This is also 5 to the power n into this is 5 to the power 1. And here is also 9 is just. Here is 5 to the power n and minus 2 square, that is 4. This is 5 to the power n. Now from the art part, this is 5 to the power n, this is 5. You just common it. 5 to the power n is common. From the upper part, 5 to the power n is common. This is 5 cube minus this is 5 into 6 into 5, 30. And here is also 5 to the power n, 5 to the power n is common. Now this is left is 9 and this is 4. Okay, this is cut. So this is your first target. This is your first target. The end part is out. Now you take the answer will be coming. Just solve the sum here. Here is 5 to the power cube. This is 125. 5 into 5 into 5. This is 30. And this is 9 minus 4, 5. So actually this is 95. 125 and this is 5. As a cut of this, the answer is 19. So clear? So this is the other type of pattern sum. Okay? Clear? So in this way you solve the sum. Don't be panic. তোমরা দেখে কিন্তু প্যানিক হবে না. You know all the formula. Concept must be clear. That will be break. Okay? এটা করলে আমরা কমন এসে যাবে. What is your target? Target is 5 to the power n is out. Up and down. Numerator and denominator, then the value is coming. Okay, so now the next sum. Okay, clear? In this way you solve the sum. I just showed the different pattern from the M.L. Agrawal of class 9 I.C.S.E. books, but I just discuss later the West Bengal board class 9 also, or the C.B.S.E. Clear? Now the next sum, one sum is there. Here is third bracket. This is bracket 64 2 by 3. Here is 2 by 3. This is 2 to the power, that is dot actually, 2 to the power minus 2. And this is divide by 8 to the power 0. Now this is close, and what is the power? this is minus half. This is the sum. No problem. This is the sum. Clear? This is 64 bracket 2 by 3. This is 2 to the power minus 2 divided by 8 to the power 0. This is minus half. Okay. So what is your main target? This is 3. Just cut off. 64 you know. 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 to the power cube into 2 by 3. No problem. Here is dot means multiply. 2 to the power minus 2. 2 to the power minus 2. Just write it. 2 to the power minus 2. Now the division. You know a to the power 0 is 1. So a to the power 0 is also 1. Okay. So this is the bracket to the power minus half. Now this is cut off. This is 4 to the power square. This is 2 to the power minus 2. And this is division. That is actually the, if you just multiply this 1 by 1, 1. Now this is minus half. Just convert to the base of 2. So 4 means 2 square. 2 square into 2, 2 2s are 4. Into, this is 2 to the power minus 2. Okay. To the power minus half. No problem. Now the base are same, multiply, the power will be added. Here is 4 minus 2. This is to the power minus half. No problem. So here is 2. 4 minus 2. 2 to the power. And this is minus of half. So this is cut. Ultimately this is 2 to the power minus 1. The ultimate answer minus means 1 by 2 to the power 1. So half is the answer. This way. Half is the answer. So in this way you solve the sum. No problem. In this way. Don't to be panic to see the sum. Any sum. Don't to be panic. তোমাদের আমি বিভিন্ন অঙ্কগুলো দেখাচ্ছি এই কারণে তোমরা যাতে যে কোনো ধরনের অঙ্ক পারতে পারো। If you solve any type of sum, the concept must be clear. Okay, that is the very important thing. For that reason, I show different pattern of the sum from the ML Algebra. Then we go to the harder sum. আমরা আস্তে আস্তে সোজা থেকে আরেকটু শক্ত, তারপর আরেকটু শক্ত. So go to the harder and hardest sum. The concept must be clear in this way, and the growing interest in indices. So you do the indices in your home. Okay, clear? So now, thank you for today. If you just understand this, please subscribe the channel, share the channel to the others. Thank you, student. Thank you.